Okay, another MCU news is Falcon and the Winter Soldier. So, it's coming out soon. So that one has finished. So one thing they released today is the looks of Zemo. So, I think he is going to be one of the villains in this series that's coming out pretty soon. Falcon and Winter Soldier is supposed to premiere next month, which is crazy, like literally crazy because we're already in February. There's WandaVision is still airing, so it will be cool to start off next month with not only not only the Kong movie, not only the Justice League miniseries, you also have Falcon and Winter Soldier. So, there are some first look that they are showing us right now. And, it's typical Anthony Mackie in the suit. It really looks nice. I didn't really think there is anything majorly fancy about these set photos. It really looks nice. Bucky bands, Sebastian really looks cool. So you get uh, you get other characters like what Russell, John Walker. You get other characters that are going to appear there, but the main takeaway is Baron Zemo's picture that has been released. So Daniel plays Baron Zemo, and it's really looking good. I really like Daniel Burhill. He's really a talented actor. I think I prefer him as a villainous role in villainous roles. Guy is really talented. I'm really liking the set photos. So I feel Baron is no doubt definitely going to be one of the main antagonists in this series. I hope they treat him like a big threat. And he did appear in Captain America: Civil War. Really didn't do much there. It was fine for the most part, but they need to build up some of these villains to look bigger and bigger and better than what they are, at least what they are presenting. So let's wait and see what happens. Just do follow us on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content. I'm going to see you guys next time.